Admiral FX right here, the prophetic analyst. Is good to be back. So this week we are going to do our usual weekly market focus for the week of the 20th to the 24th of May. So without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. All right. So here you can see on gold for last week or 2 weeks ago, actually the last week market focus analysis on gold. Actually, we were looking for some bullishness on gold, okay, for gold to break out of these highs, this area, and push continuations to this resistance all the way up here. So if you missed our last week video, or you did not see how we played out, or you think we are capping, here is the video to see price. If price is going to be bullish from here, I love to see price will break these highs, okay, this resistance area with this, then a push continuations to this high here, which is the next resistance, this resistance here, which is the 2404 area. Okay, welcome back. I hope you can see how we predicted gold into precision. Okay, we wanted price to play this support area, these highs, and a break and a retest of that area, which is practically what we are now seeing happening on gold. So gold has been on an uptrend. Okay, gold has been creating of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we are looking forward for gold to create a new higher high, which is going to also match with this previous resistance here. Okay, so let me take that out. So what I'm going to do on that area is I'm going to make a little line there, which to signify as an area that we are looking forward for gold to trace a little retracement to that area, a little retracement into the area of the 23996 area. Okay, then can have more push continuations to the upside. Like, mind you, I guys already know that gold does not have, when resistance are being broken, doesn't really have resistance. But if we look left here, you can see our next zone, which is this here. Okay, this, let me circle that so that you guys can see that week there for gold. So our next target will be the 42431 area, okay, which is that. Okay, so we're looking for gold to come in here and a push continuation to the upside. That is the scenario, best scenario for bullish continuation. We would only be looking for bearish continuations when gold is able to clear the 237 area. Okay, gold is able to break here, retest, and a push continuations to the downside. Some price is able to break through this area. That's the only time we'll be looking for sales on gold. So for now, we are still very much bullish on gold until gold proves wise. Okay, up next is DXY. For DXY, let's start from our daily time frame. Okay, for DXY on our daily time frame, you can see DXY has been very much bearish, just like we predicted on our last week video. Okay, that there was actually a demand area here, okay, which is more like a support area, which price had to retest that area before we could see some push continuations to the upside. So hence why we have these arrows here, just like from the go video in which we did. So we actually predicted a sell buy scenario for DXY. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring this to this area. So if you did not see how we predicted DXY last week, here is the video. The next level that we'll be looking for is a deeper retracement to this zone of the 104 area, then a push continuations to the upside. Okay, so a sell buy scenario, for the DXY. Okay, welcome back. I hope you can see how we predicted DXY into precision. We're looking for a sell buy scenario because though we were looking for some bullishness off this area to the upside, but price did not go up from that area. Okay, price could not go up from that area, and like I said, price was a little bit shy away of this this demand area on the downside. Okay, so our bias still remains the same. That's why I had to drag this here. So we are looking for price to come into the 104 area, which price has already done that, and more push continuations to the upside on the DXY. And we can only look out, how about for the bearish scenario? We can only look out for bearishness if price can close fully below this zone. Okay, then we can go for a retest of that zone. Then we can swing all the way to the 101 area, which is the support level down here. Okay, which is over 500 pips to the downside. Okay, up next is a Euro USD. Okay, for Euro USD, we have been looking for some bearishness as at 2 weeks ago, but we had to change our bias to bullishness. Okay, due to only trade what we see, we don't trade what we feel. Okay, so for our even on our Telegram community, had to send some signals, which you can see how, which I'm going to add somewhere around in this signals of this buy trade. I think it was also CPI. Yes, it was also CPI, in which we traded live our mentees, and we were able to find the 1:2.5 are on just this trade. Okay, as we can see, gold, Euro USD has been creating very nice trends of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so price created higher high, higher low. Practically, we are looking for price to create a new higher low, which is somewhere around this zone. The price to come down to the downside, but be it as it may, if you look at the daily time frame, you can now see that we should something like this. Price may come inside this area, and but all right, the same way we may be looking for bullish, also the same way I would be looking for bearishness. Okay, first of all, you can also see price is not yet able to clear off this resistance area, which is this high. Price is sitting comfortably on that daily resistance area. So I'm looking for some deep retracement to this zone. Okay, price will come into this zone down there. I'm looking for some deep retracement to that zone for bearishness. Okay, but we will have a better, stronger sales if price is able to break this zone. Okay, that means the weekly time frame has to close bearish below that zone on the weekly time frame. So those are actually my take on the Euro USD. Euro USD, already we had some trades that we took for market close on Friday. Has been quite bearish for us. Okay, so we will be looking for more bearishness than bullishness on Euro USD. But if price has to go bullish, okay, we would be patient enough to allow price to break out of these highs. So price is patient enough to see price breaking out of these highs, a retest on the 1.088, a push continuations down the upside of the 1.09. But like I said, they are more bearish than bullish until we could only look for that bullish setup when price comes to opposite. But selling Euro USD. Also, if we look at what is happening on the day, that if the XY, that this pair is also inversely correlated, same price correlation, opposite happening. Next is GBP USD. We start from a daily time frame. Okay, from our daily time frame, you can see price just like Euro USD. Price is seated comfortably on this resistance area, seated comfortably on that resistance area. So what we'll be looking out for is nothing different from Euro USD. Okay, some sell buy scenario, for price bearish into this, and this zone is a determinant of whatever price wants to do. Price push continue to the upside, or price wish. So if you are to sell GBP, you have to sell at least from this area, or probably as a swing trader add more positions on this. Our first level target for bearishness on GBP 1.2 1.26009 area, which is, then we can either see a continuation at the upside, or That's it for GBP USD, guys. Last but not the least, for USD JPY, we have been seeing USD JPY having the best of market structure, which higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and we are looking forward for USD JPY to cruise to higher high. Hence, why we are also in bullishness on the DXY. So if the DXY practically goes up, it would be looking same to happen on the USY. Yeah, and last week, for those of you that watch our last week video, you see how we predicted USD JPY into on this bullishness, and signals will also be sent to the general community, the free community, and even our VIP community, which I also share on. So if you're not on our Telegram community, please do well to click on the link on the description below to join our Telegram, a free Telegram community, because I also share free forex educational setups like this, which you can also use to make money for yourself. Okay, so if you did not see how we predicted USD JPY for last week, or you think we are capturing, here is the video. Like I said, price is strongly on a strong key level. Okay, so we are looking for price to bounce off this area and push continuations back to 159 area. Okay, welcome back, guys. I hope you can see how we predicted USD JPY into precision for last week, and it's looking like price is still having so much series of bullishness for USD JPY even on the coming weeks. Okay, so time frame I'll stick to the daily time frame to reduce all the noise on price. So nothing much on the USD JPY. So I'll be looking for price is actually testing this strong support level. Okay, so I'll be looking for price to continue its bullishness from this area to our next level target, which is the 159 area, which is our blue line all the way up there, for very much bullish on USD JPY for the coming weeks. So that's all for this week, and I hope you guys like such content in which do well to also smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. But this is the only way you can also help us continue to creating free forex educational contents like this. You know that it also helps you. And if you like the way that we trade, you can also join. You can also DM me from Telegram, okay, to join our mentorship that we can mentor you our program that you can trade just the way like we do. Forex shouldn't be complicating. You don't need so much of all about having the right strategy. Okay, I'm always here to mentor you guys, and also drop on the comment section if you're seeing the thing that we are seeing, or you're seeing something, and let us know other forex educational video you would love us to make. Okay, so without further ado, guys, next time.